Alright, so dito naman sa ranking and reward, this is promotional naman, so mas mataas yung position mo, mas maganda yung magiging income mo. So, paano ba yan? Yung first requirement yan ay, syempre, pag member ka na, ang tawag na sa business associate. So, first na kailangan mo is magkaroon ka ng at least 4 active downlines or 4 members under your organization, 4 different lines, okay? Okay, so meron tayo ditong business manager or BM, meron tayong senior business manager or SBM, bronze business manager or BBM, and silver director or SD, gold director, and platinum director. So mapapansin mo, habang papataas yung position, mas tumataas yung rebate. So paano nga ba kuhanin yan? Okay, so bago ko i-discuss yung ranking and reward natin, isang payong kaplamilya muna. Okay. Okay. So, may advice lang ako sa'yo na at least mag-focus tayo sa pagkuha ng rank natin ng Silver Director pataas. Okay? So, bakit natin kailangan mag-focus at least sa Silver Director? Okay? At kung mas maganda pa, mas mataas pa. No? Pero sa Silver Director kasi, once na mahit mo to, based doon sa ating mga partners sa Global Online Stream Team, sa mga nag-silver director, kasama na tayo dyan, okay? You can earn average 100,000 or more monthly income. Okay, so imagine mo, part-time ginagawa mo lang gamit ang Facebook, as silver director, you can earn 100,000 pataas monthly income. So, grabe. Okay? Second, once na maging silver director ka, automatic qualified ka for travel incentives to Singapore. So just imagine, magta-travel tayo doon para maglibot, okay, para umattend na convention, for about 4 to 5 days tayo doon. So that's for free, free lahat ng expenses natin doon. Plus, after kasi na mag-silver director ka, you will start counting na ng binary boxes mo. Para saan yan? Para sa car incentives mo. So, grabe. Dito, on top of your commission, bibigyan ka pa ng BWL, ng pandown ng kotse mo at ng panghulong ng kotse mo. So, mamaya i-discuss ko kung paano natin makukuha yan. And then, you can qualify also for profit sharing. So, magkakaroon ka na ng share dito sa PWL. So, kung paano rin yan makuha as Silver Director, i-explain ko din yan sa mga susunod na slides natin. So, again, at least Silver Director yung makuha natin na position. Okay. Ang maganda dito sa BWL, sa Best World Lifestyle, okay? And of course, dahil sa tulungan, pagtutulong-tulong ng ating team, which is yung ating GODS team or Global Online Stream Team, ito yung klase ng business na habang tumutulong ka, okay, ay lalo ka nagiging successful. So, wala kang ibang choice dito kundi tumulong. Di ba? The more na tumutulong ka, the more na tumataas ka. So, paano ba yan? Dito sa Global Online Stream Team or sa team natin, dito sa BWL, yung GODS team, we already have the most effective and proven ways to promote BWL or Optimax Family Light on Facebook. Okay? So, as simple as step-by-step and a copy-paste formula system, this is proven na kung saan, kung sa school nga, okay, kung sa school nga, magaling ka mangopya, bagsak yung grado mo. Dito, pag magaling ka mangopya, mataas kita mo, malaki kita mo. Okay? So, dito, copy-paste lang tayo. Kopya-kopya system lang tayo. Okay, so the more na nangongopya tayo, the more na magaling tayo mangopya at tumutulong tayo sa mga partners natin, ay the more na mabilis nating makuha yung ranking ng Silver Director. Paano ba yan? Okay, so here's how you get your Silver Director position dito sa BWL or Best World Lifestyle. So, before tayo sa Silver Director, may mga dadaanan tayong ibang ranking. So, papunta dun sa Silver Director or higit pa dun sa Silver Director position, ito yung paraan kung paano. First, yung position natin or rank natin is Business Manager. Pag Business Manager ka na, meron ka ng additional 5.25 pesos per box sa uni-level income mo. Okay? Paano ba yan? Ano ba requirements? Number one, para maging business manager ka, you can purchase yung Silver Stackers package natin. Kung natatandaan natin, once na nag-purchase tayo ng Silver Stackers package, yung 31,500 natin na may 30 boxes pang delight, automatically ay promoted ka to business manager ka agad. Okay, so kung hindi naman yan yung ginawa mo, at least kung for example nag-join ka this month, okay, at ikaw ay nag-join as builders package, at meron kang na-invite ng 4 builders package na downline in the same month, okay, ay promoted ka na rin as business manager. Ngayon, ang isang paraan din natin is to accumulate at least 50 boxes of Optimax Plum Delight from your sales up to down to your group sales ng 50 boxes within 2 consecutive months. Okay. So 25 boxes will be your maximum number of boxes dun sa strongest line mo. Okay, so kailangan 25 doon, pwedeng 25 sa isang leg, then 15 doon sa isang leg, 5 sa isang leg, and then 5. So, all in all, 50 boxes. Once na ma-achieve mo yan in 2 months, okay, so, automatically, business manager ka na. So, again, yung isang option natin is Silver Stackers package. Second is Builders package at magkaroon ka ng 4 na Builders package na downline in different lines. So, congratulations. Dahil pag nagawa mo yan, you already promoted to business manager and you can earn additional 5.25 pesos per box from Unilevel. Okay. So, next position is senior business manager. Para makuha naman yan, okay, at pag nakuha mo yan, ang additional earnings mo per box is 10.50 pesos per box na. Okay? Sa Unilevel natin. So, ang requirements, paano ma-promote? You only have to do is tumulong sa isa sa mga downline mo o partner mo. So, let's say ikaw yan, yung sa partner mo, na-promote mo, tinulungan mo maging BM, tapos active lines mo is 4, automatically, pag nag-business manager isang downline mo, congratulations again, promoted ka na as senior business manager. Meron ka ng 10.50 pesos per box dun sa mga Unilevel boxes natin. Okay. So, next rank natin is Bronze Business Manager or BBM. Okay, so anong benefits natin? You can earn additional 21 pesos na to per box dun sa mga Unilevel boxes natin. So, anong requirements? Simple lang. Sabi ko sa'yo, this is a helping business, diba? So, let's say, dun sa 4 na downlines mo, i-promote mo lang yung at least 3 dun. Okay, na maging business manager. Dahil naging business manager ka na, okay, sila naman, tulungan mo naman maging business manager na sila. Okay? Ang maganda doon, pag naging business manager na yung 3 na yan, at naka-accumulate ka ng at least 300 boxes within 2 consecutive months, okay, ay automatically, congratulations, dahil Bronze Business Manager ka na, or BBM ka na. So, you can earn additional 21 pesos per box from Unilevel up to infinity yan. Okay? So, madali lang siya. So, ano ba sikreto? Tumulong lang, di ba? Pag-aralan natin negosyo, tumulong lang tayo. Wala tayong choice kundi tumulong. So, napakagandang klase ng negosyo. Na habang tumutulong ka, tumataas ka. Di ba? So, ano yung next position natin? Ito na, yung pinakaintay natin na. Okay, so next natin is Silver Director. So, ito na, nakaka-excite na kasi malalaman na natin paano nga ba makuha itong Silver Director. Pag Silver Director ka na, you can earn additional 31.50 pesos per box na tayo. From Unilevel up to infinity na yan. Ngayon, question, paano ba maging Silver Director? Simple lang. You all have to do is to promote, yung 3 BM mo, tulungan mo naman silang maging from business manager, maging naman sila ngayon, Bronze Business Manager. So, pag 3 na yung Bronze Business Manager mo, plus, nakapag-accumulate ka ng at least 3,000 boxes within 4 consecutive months, ay congratulations, Kasi, Silver Director ka na. Okay, again, take note, that's 3,000 boxes is from your personal sales and from your group sales down up to infinity. Okay, ng personally connected sa'yo na naka-accumulate ka ng 3,000 boxes within 4 consecutive months, pasok ka na as silver director. Once na maging silver director ka, automatic kasama ka na sa travel next year sa Singapore. And ang maganda dito, based dito sa mga ah, partners natin, ano, especially sa global online stream team, o silver director ka na, you will be averaging at least 100, ano, 1,000 pesos pataas. Pwede ka pang kumita na mas malaki pa to. Okay? Tapos, ang malapit pa, yung car incentives mo. Mamaya, i-discuss natin. Okay, so next natin sa silver director is gold director. So, pag gold director ka na, you can earn additional 42 pesos per box from your uni level up to infinity. So, paano nga ba yan? Simple lang, just promote the silver director from your downline. So, kanina, yung mga tinulungan natin ano, na naging bronze business manager, ngayon naman, tulungan natin sila na maging silver director. So, pag meron ka ng tatlong silver director under your team, okay, so from different lines, ay automatically, congratulations dahil gold director ka na and you can earn now additional 42 pesos per box from Unilevel plus yung mga incentives pa natin dyan. So, mapapansin mo, wala na tayong number of boxes na requirements dito. Yung all you have to do is to help yung mga business partners mo na para sila naman yung maging silver director. So, di ba ang ganda ng negosyo? Habang tumutulong ka, ay parang kang tinutulak pataas naman. Whether you like it or not, habang tumutulong ka dito, talagang lalo yung bumabalik ng bumabalik. Blessings sa'yo. So, next position natin, on last position natin dito, and as dito sa ranking and reward natin is Platinum Director. So, pag Platinum Director ka na, you can earn additional 47.25 per box from your uni level down up to your infinity level. So, requirement, simple lang, just promote 3 gold director from your downline. So, yung tatlong silver director mo kanina, okay, tulungan mo ulit na maging gold director. So, pag tatlo na yung gold director mo, automatically, congratulations again because you are promoted to platinum director. Dahil tumulong ka na maging gold director, yung tatlong downline mo. So, grabe talaga, no? So, habang tumutulong ka, walang choice kundi bumalik sa'yo yung blessing na pagtulong mo. Okay. So, next na tayo. Ito good news. Pag silver director ka na, meron ka ng possible makuhang profit sharing dito. So, para ka nang may share sa company. Kasi imagine, di ba? So, sabi ko niya, ano dito lahat ng benefits ano, sa silver director. So, paano ba yan? Simple lang, yung 2% of the total monthly sales ng buong BWL ano, will be divided to all the silver directors qualifier. At lahat ng magka-qualify, okay, ay magkakaroon ng share sa company. So, paano ba magkaroon ng share? And paano ba mag-qualify? Simple lang, just promote at least one silver director sa downline mo. So, for example, ikaw to, silver director ka na, so, yung downline mo, tulungan mo lang din maging silver director. Pagka may isang silver director ka, equivalent ng isang silver director downline is isang share. Okay? So, let's say kung 20,000 pesos yung isang share, ano, na profit sharing natin. So, meron on top of your commission, bibigyan ka pa ng BWL ng 20,000 pesos. Dahil bakit? Tumulong kayo na ma-promote mo yung downline mo as silver director. So, meaning, habang nadadagdagan yung silver director mo, dumadami yung share mo. So, the more silver director downlines you produce, ano, na na-produce mo, tatulungan mo, the more shares you can have monthly dito sa profit sharing natin sa silver director. So, meaning, kung 20,000, let's say, example natin, 20,000 per share, tapos yung downline mo, ano, meron kang 10 silver director downlines, ano, from different lines, meaning, meron kang 10 shares sa company. So, kung 20,000 yun, magkano yun? That's 200,000 pesos. On top of your commission, bibigyan ka pa ng BWL ng 200,000 pesos dahil nakapag-produce ka ng 10 silver director under your team. So, ganun kalupit. Grabe. Diba? Pero, eto pa, malupit. Sa leadership bonus natin, once na maging gold director ka na, pwede ka na ma-qualify for quarterly profit sharing. So, paano pa yan? Simple lang. Yung 0.5% of the total quarterly sales of BWL will be divided to all the gold directors qualifier. So, to qualify and to get one share, mag-promote ka lang ng at least isang gold director sa downline mo. So, let's say, kanina, diba, paano ka maging gold director? Kailangan may tatlo kang SD. Ngayon, dahil sa tatlong SD mo na yun, let's say may isa kang downline, naging gold director din, katulad mo. Meaning, sa isang gold director niya, kumita ka or magkakaroon ka ng isang share sa profit sharing. So, let's say, halimbawa, 180,000, yung quarterly profit sharing ng gold. So, kung may isang gold ka, may, on top of your commission, may 180,000 ka pa na profit sharing sa gold director. Di ba? Ang lupit. Di ba? So, habang tumatagal at dumadami yung gold director mo, syempre, mas dumadami yung shares mo. Ito pa maganda. Dahil qualified ka sa quarterly profit sharing, okay? Ang good news, qualified ka rin sa monthly profit sharing ng silver director. Ay, grabe. Isipin mo may monthly profit sharing ka na, tapos pasok ka pa sa quarterly profit sharing. Di ba ang lupit? Kalupit, di ba? So, ito pa maganda. Okay, so next to our leadership bonus is our yearly profit sharing. Okay, so once na maging platinum director ka na, you can have a chance na magkaroon ka ng share sa yearly profit sharing ng BWL. So, paano ba yan? Simple lang, yung 0.5% of the total yearly sales of BWL will be divided sa lahat ng Platinum Directors Qualifier. So, para magkaroon ka ng isang share dyan, kailangan may matulungan ka ulit na isang downline mo or partner mo. As Platinum Director, pag kami na-promote ka na isang downline mo na maging Platinum Director din, automatically, as one Platinum Director, magkakaroon ka ng isang share, okay, sa ating yearly profit sharing. So, grabe, no? So, habang tumutulong ka talaga dito, lalo lumalaki income mo. So, the more na marami kang PD or Platinum Director, the more na marami rin yung iyong profit sharing yearly. So, just imagine, pagka nag-qualify ka dito, qualify ka rin for Gold Director or quarterly profit sharing natin, and of course, qualified ka rin. Okay? Sa ating monthly profit sharing. So, grabe, no? May monthly profit sharing ka na, may quarterly ka pa, may yearly profit sharing ka pa. So, ganun kalupit yung profit sharing dito sa BWL or sa Best World Lifestyle, di ba? So, ang dami talagang benefits na makukuha natin dito sa BWL. Okay, so, pumunta naman tayo sa car incentives natin. Number 1, para makuha natin to, syempre, of course, kailangan ay silver director tayo. So, kailangan i-push talaga natin yung silver director position. Okay, so paano yan? Once na maging silver director ka na, at makapag-produce ka, okay, ng 3,000 binary boxes within 6 consecutive months, so yung 3,000 binary boxes na yun, iipunin yan within 6 consecutive months, yan yung sales ng buong team mo, no? So, yung binary boxes, ito yung lahat na pumapasok sa ating binary, personally connected sa'yo. So, let's say, for example, yung builder's package, yung binary dun is 4 boxes. So, yung sa silver stocks naman, yung binary dun is 10 boxes. So, lahat ng yan, bibilangin yan. Pag yan umabot ng 3,000 boxes, within 6 consecutive months, bibigyan ka ng company ng 100,000 pesos on top of your commission, pandown ng kotse mo. Okay? So, ito pa malupit. Once na mag-qualify ka na sa ating initial car incentives program, okay, yung monthly amortization mo, huwag ka na mag-alala. Bakit? Kasi yung 3% of your total sales, okay, monthly, ay ibibigay sa'yo, no? Pang monthly amortization mo. So, let's say, naka 1 million pesos ka. So, 3% of that will be 30,000. So, bibigyan ka ng BWL ng 30,000. Panghulog ng kotse mo. So, ganun kaganda yung ano natin. So, on top of your commission, just imagine, ibigyan ka pa ng monthly amortization ng company at pandown ng kotse mo. So, hindi mo na magkagalaw yung income mo, yung commission mo sa BWL. But pagka meron ka ng SD line ano or na-promote na isang silver director dun sa group mo, okay? From 3% magiging 1.5% na lang yung magiging monthly amortization na computed dun sa line na yon. So sa line lang na yon, sa silver director na yon. Pero ang maganda diyan dahil nakapag-promote ka na sa silver director, papasok naman yun kahit 1.5% ka na lang dito. Papasok naman sa profit sharing. So grabe, 'di ba? So doon naman papasok. So may income ka na naman. So ganun kaganda ano at ka-generous yung company natin. Okay, and this is lifetime incentives. So, habang tumutulong ka, habang lumalaki yung organization mo at marami ka natutulungan na po-promote, mas lumalaki yung income mo. So, grabe. Grabe yung kitaan at generosity ng company dito sa BWL or sa Best World Lifestyle. So, again, ano, pag ikaw ay isang silver director ka na, you can have a chance to travel, ano, for free to Singapore or Thailand. That's for free. So, automatic yan. Kapag ka nag-promote ka na, ano, as silver director, diretso na tayo sa travel next year. Okay. Travel natin, incentives is Europe tour. Oy, grabe, no? So, next year, okay, ay pwede kang mag-tour sa Europe. Okay, papaano yan? To qualify, siyempre, kailangan gold director ka muna. Okay, then after mo mag-gold director at nakapag-produce ka ng 8 million pesos sales, ano, equivalent to one ticket yan to Europe this year. So, pag na-accumulate natin this year yan, next year, kasama tayo sa Europe tour. What if naka 16 million ka after mong mag-gold? So, that means dalawang ticket ang makukuha mo. Okay? So, ganun, ano, ganun. From Singapore yan, diretso ka na sa Europe for about 10 days, di ba? So, almost half ng buwan na yon ay wala kang gagawin kundi mag-travel. So, ang maganda dito, magta-travel ka hindi para, pupunta ka na ibang bansa, hindi para magtrabaho, kundi para mag-enjoy, di ba? Parang reward mo na sa sarili mo to. Just imagine, this is for free. So, ang dami, no? So, ang daming benefits talaga na makukuha natin sa pag-promote ng business natin dito sa Best World Lifestyle.